Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kier Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about the mischief rule of interpretation. Since it is not possible to expect the court to interpret arbitrarily, over the course of time, certain principles or rules have evolved out of the continuous exercise by the court. One of these rules of interpretation is the mischief rule of interpretation. Now, let's talk about the meaning. Often referred to as the hidden rule, the mischief rule of interpretation is one of the most important rules of interpretation. In legal parlance, the word mischief is normally understood to be a kind of specific injury or damage resulting from another person's action or inaction. But in relation to rules of interpretation, mischief means to prevent the misuse of provisions of a statute. It is widely known as the mischief rule primarily because it focuses on curing the mischief. As per the mischief rule of interpretation, a statute must be construed in such a way as to suppress the mischief. Mischief should not have a place in the statute. If an attempt is made to add mischief in any statute, then it must be prevented by the mischief rule of interpretation. The meaning of the mischief rule of interpretation can be better understood with the help of a UK case law, the case of Smith and Hawke. Revolved around the Street Offences Act 1959, the statute was enacted to prohibit prostitutes from soliciting on roads to the passing public. Post the enactment of the said act, the prostitutes began soliciting from their windows and balconies. Since this defeated the intention of the legislation, some prostitutes were changed under Section 1, Subclause 1 of the said act, which read as: it shall be an offence for a person aged 18 or over, whether male or female, persistently to loiter or solicit in a street or public place for the purpose of prostitution. I hope you are clear with the concept of mischief rule of interpretation. If not so, then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries so that I can clear up all your doubts and queries in the next session. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.